Hey there, my natural hair queens and kings. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Shay and I go by Bahamian Curl Girl. And today I decided to switch up my normal wash and go and do a 3-strand twist up. And I used the entire line from the ancient Egyptian line from Me & Choice. First, I will be starting with their shampoo, and what I can say is that a little goes a long way with this shampoo, which I was really excited about, mainly because that means that the shampoo is going to last me for a long time. Now I will be going in with their conditioner, which I have to say was probably my favorite product out of the line because of the moisture and hydration that it added to my hair. I will be using their crocodile clips, just a section of my hair, so that I can detangle it using this conditioner. My hair feels so soft, and I wish that you guys could feel it, but this conditioner worked magic. And yes, you did see that correct. I wasted about half of the hair mask, which I was so upset about. I cannot believe that I did that. But to ensure that I didn't waste any of the product, I just went ahead and scooped all of it off the floor and off my pants, and I put it in my hair. And now I'm going in with their serum to lock in my ends and just give my ends a little more love. So these conditioning caps are actually jumbo size. As you can see, they are huge. There's no amount of hair you could possibly have that does not fit under this cap. I kept the hair mask on for about 15 minutes and I went ahead and took it off, and my hair is super moisturized. I will now begin the silent portion of my video. I am just sectioning my hair for the twist out using the crocodile clips. And then I'm going in with some water, the leave-in conditioner, and then I'll be using the 24 karat twisting gel for my 3-strand twist out today. I always start my 3-strand twist by braiding the beginning part of my hair just to make sure I lock it in. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you this one braid, and we'll fast forward to the end. If you would like me to do a full video on how to do a twist out, just leave it in the comments below. Now I'm going in with their split end treatment serum to lock in my ends. What I really like about this serum is that it helps to prevent and repair damage and split ends. For the front portion of my hair, I will be doing a flat twist, and once it gets like midway, what I'm going to go ahead and do is 3-strand twist the ending part of my hair, because I am going to loose that part out in the end to match the rest of my twist out. So I'm just pinning this portion of my hair just because this is how I want to style it, and then I'm going to sleep on it and loose it the next day. So by this time it was about 24 hours later. However, one side of my hair I think did not completely dry, which you're going to see in the end of the video, which was a big no-no for releasing these twists. I will be using their oil to ensure that I minimize frizz while releasing these twists. Now that all the twists are out, I'm going to go ahead and style this top portion of my hair by pinning it down. I will take out the ending part of these twists, and then I'm going to go in and add some gold clips just to add a bit of pizzazz to this hairstyle. Alright, I am all done, and this is my final look. I am super proud of how this came out. First off, this whole entire line is formulated to help with natural hair growth and retention. For that reason, only 2 products in the line does not have biotin in it, and that's the shampoo and the oil. But all the rest of the products have biotin in it, which I am a huge fan of, mainly because I'm always here to try and grow my hair. Other vitamins that are actually in this line is vitamin A, B, C, and D, as well as biotin. I mean, you can't get better than that. The next good thing about this line is that anyone can actually use it. You don't have to be natural, you can actually be relaxed, and it still works the same with your hair, because at the end of the day, I think mostly everybody wants to grow their hair and make sure that they don't have any split ends, and this line can actually help you with that. This one I had a hard time putting my hand on exactly what the scent was, but it smelled tropical, and then it had a perfume scent, so I would say it smelled like a tropical perfume, which I was absolutely here for because I didn't wash my hair for like 2 weeks and it smelled really bad, and this came to the rescue and just helped my hair to smell amazing. Yeah, so y'all know I like to tell y'all which product is my ultimate favorite, and honestly the conditioner really shocked me. When I took out the conditioner, my hair felt super moisturized, super hydrated, super soft, and I could not stop touching my hair. And then I also love the split end treatment serum, mainly because I think anyone that is on a hair journey, whether it's natural or relaxed, we tend to not give our ends the love that it needs, and it's the oldest part of our hair. So I'm super happy that they made a product that is formulated just to help retain your hair, because honestly that helps with length. The more split ends you get, the more you have to get a cut, so then your hair just never goes past a certain length, and I really love that about this line. The whole entire line was just amazing. And then the oil, I love that it was a light consistency, that it wasn't too heavy for my hair, but honestly I felt like the 24 karat twisting gel was enough all by itself. Like I could have separated my twist out without having to use the oil, because that twisting gel actually gave my hair the shine that it needed. My hair is super soft and super defined and moisturized. I mean, I was super surprised with that. The leave-in is a really light consistency, which I like, and it paired really well with the twisting gel. And then the mask just was a compliment to the conditioner. Those two together just work really well together. My twist out is lacking nothing. I got that shine, I got that definition, got that moisture. It is just really, really good. But yeah, I decided to, you know, switch it up a bit and give y'all a little something else. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Let me know how y'all think this twist out came out using the main choice line. That is it for my video. If y'all have any questions at all, be sure to leave them below in the comments. And until next time, when you know better, you do better. Bye.